sorry if there's gonna be noises in the background. So I just want to ask if anybody wants to be in a background, a wedding. All you gotta do is put a picture of your OC in one video, or you can go to my Discord server and you can put a picture of your OC. Discord will be in the description. And that's all I want to ask. And that's all. Just being a picture. Just being in the background. And hope you like watching me draw arts and stuff.
I still remember 3rd of December, me in your sweater. You said it looked better on me than it did you. Only if you knew how much I liked you. But I watch your eyes as she walks by. What a sight for sore eyes, brighter than the blue sky. She's got you mesmerized while I die.